Hi friends! I just wanted to drop in and send Merry Christmas wishes your way. Thank you so much for making my second year on YouTube an awesome one. If it wasn't for my friends on YouTube watching my tutorials, I wouldn't be doing them. May God bless each and every one of you in this special season of Christmas, remembering that this is the time that God gave His one and only begotten Son to the world as a Savior to us, when we didn't even know that we needed saving. I look forward to 2022 with you, my sewing friends. I don't plan very well, so who knows what 2022 is going to bring for us in the way of tutorials. I'm a one-man show here, just so you know. Enough talking already. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, friends.